Here we have this 67 plate Audi A6 Avant TDI Quattro Black Edition. Comes with a Mythos black exterior paintwork, LED headlights. We've also got the black grille in the centre with the Audi and the Quattro badging. Now this vehicle does come with front and rear parking sensors. We've also got the 20-inch Audi wheels, privacy glass at the rear with the black trim around the outside. We've also got the black roof rails, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, and we've also got the colour-coded spoiler at the rear. As we come to the rear of the vehicle, you can see we've got the dual exit exhaust at the bottom with the parking sensors running across the middle of the bumper. Now this vehicle does come free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So as we just take a look at the rear interior, you'll be able to see we've got the all black leather with the Isofix points and the armrest in the centre. We've also got the climate control for the passengers on the middle. We've got the electric windows with the Alcantara on the door. Onto the front, we've got the same styling front seats, all black leather. Both of these seats are heated and electrically adjustable, and we've also got the S-line embroidery there, so you can adjust them at the side here. We've also got the memory function on the door for the seats with the door lock. We've got the electric windows with the heated and electric side mirrors and the child lock at the rear. Premium Bose sound system, automatic lights with the multifunctional steering wheel. Taking a seat inside this vehicle and turning it on. My foot is on the brake. Press the start button, and as you can see on the dashboard, we're free from any warning lights. We've got the cruise control and speed limiter stalk behind, and we've also got the trip function button here. So if you just press this, it comes up on screen with the different functions on the trip. We've also got the paddle shift either side with the volume just there. Onto the main screen, you'll be able to see that we've got the satellite navigation. We've also got the DAB radio with the Bluetooth media. We've got the Bluetooth phone connectivity as well, and if we just press this car button here, we'll come up with the different drive modes in which this vehicle can be driven. Now I'm just going to keep it in comfort there. Onto the menu, you've got the different functions as well, so you can have your Bluetooth phone connectivity, the navigation, the media, etc. We've got the dual climate control. We've also got the heated seats on both front seats. We've got the air conditioning, heated rear window and front window just there. We've also got the automatic gearbox with the electric park brake and the auto hold, and we've got the function buttons here for the screen. Now I'm just going to pop this vehicle into reverse, and as you can see on screen, we've got the front and rear sensors just there. I'm just going to pop it back into park to keep this vehicle safe. Now that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle, you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this Audi A6 Avant TDI Quattro Black Edition. Now the purpose of this video is to show you that this vehicle drives exactly how you'd expect it to. You can see that I'm not having to fight with the steering wheel. We're not veering off to the left or veering off to the right. We're staying pretty true to the road. Throughout this video test drive, you'll be able to hear that we are free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now on the multifunctional steering wheel in front of me, we've got the digital trip menu button with the paddle shift behind on the left, and we've also got the volume button with the Bluetooth phone connectivity and paddle shift on the right. Behind the steering wheel to the left, you've got the cruise control and speed limiter stalk. In the centre, we've got the satellite navigation and all the other functions which you will have seen on the website. We've got the dual climate control with the heated rear window. We've also got the air conditioning. We've got the both front seats which are heated. Now these front seats are very comfortable as well as the rear. You could probably do 200-300 miles and still get out feeling pretty fresh. We've got the automatic gearbox with the different function buttons for the screen in the center as well as the electric parking brake. Now I'm just going to take a right hand turn into the industrial estate while I perform an emergency stop. So as I just take this right hand turn, and in 3, 2 and 1, hard onto the brakes. Into reverse, and you'll be able to see we've got the reversing sensors just there. Back into drive with no problems whatsoever. Now, if you've got any other questions or queries on this vehicle, then do not hesitate to contact the RS Car Sales team. Well, that's all from me today. Cheers.